Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this beautiful 2016 Keystone Cougar X-Lite 29 RLI triple slide fifth wheel. Overall condition is great. I will show you a little area that may be a concern to somebody who's looking for an excellent condition camper. Behind that little Kentucky sticker there's a little patch mark about the size of your thumb. The owner had somebody install a TV mount in the bedroom, and one of the screws went all the way through. It's just cosmetic, but I will show you that when I finish up the video on the outside. Go ahead and start on the inside. A little yellow telltale sticker here on the screen door tells you what the dry weight is, and if you look to the bottom right hand of the sticker, it's dry weight or empty weight. When it came off the assembly line, 7,820 pounds. That's what it weighs empty. Overall exterior length on the camper is 32 feet, 7 inches. Overall height to the air conditioner is 11 feet, 11 inches. Give you an idea of the floor plan here before I get started. Okay, this is a triple slide fifth wheel. This is an X-Lite. This is perfect for a half-ton truck, a heavy half-ton. First slide out here is the super slide that accommodates the freestanding table and chairs and the upgraded ultra leather theater seating. The super slide is going to be 10 to 12 foot long and definitely 3 foot deep. Freestanding table and chairs. Show off that cloth. Inside this camper is showroom condition. Nice storage up underneath the seats. You do have night shades all throughout the camper. See if I can get a little bit better lighting here. Show off the window treatments here. Colors are going to be tans, coppers, browns. And your cabinets are going to be a hand glazed maple. Okay, your theater seating. This is the upgraded ultra leather theater home theater seating option. Everything's in excellent condition. I'm going to show that off. There's no wear and tear. And these are full reclining. The color is going to be a dark brown. And in the rear here, it's another ultra leather sleeper sofa. It's a trifold sleeper sofa. And it's in excellent condition. Little bug there. Again, color is going to be like a dark brown. Beautiful white stitching. And a little bit better place to show off the cabinets here. Nice etched glass finish in the rear here. And it's that hand glazed maple. And I believe your hardware is going to be like a brushed nickel finish on the hardware. Huge big bay window in the rear. 110 outlet right there off to the right. Okay, second slide out. It's going to be another super slide. It's about 10 foot long. It's about 2.5 foot deep. Accommodates the entertainment center and the kitchen area. It does have a fireplace. Nice space heater also. Stereo is going to be everything. Bluetooth, CD, DVD, MP3, USB port ready. You can hook up your smart device to it, which is a nice feature. I'm not sure, I believe they're calling this maybe a 39-inch flat screen. It's full pivoting. You can adjust it any way you want, and then it collapses back for transportation when you're in transport. And there's another area where I can show off those hand glazed maple cabinet finishes. All your drawer fronts are all going to be solid wood. Okay, your refrigerator is going to be the large 8 cubic foot raised panel refrigerator, gas electric. Flip switch on, it's by Dominic. Flip switch on, a couple hours later you have a nice cold fridge. Show that off here for you. Also in the slide out is going to be your oven. Stainless steel finish, 3-burner gas cooktop. And show off the oven. Looks like it's never been used. 3-burner gas cooktop. The front one's going to be a high output. Nice range lid light. More storage. Up above the 3-burner cooktop. Stainless steel finish on the microwave. We're actually hooked up to 50 amp, which is nice. Actually, I'm sorry, 30 amp service, but this is a 50 amp coach. Always check to make sure the digital readouts work on the microwaves. Okay, your countertops are going to be a solid surface countertop. It's not that laminate or Formica top. Definitely a nice feature on a ultra lightweight fifth wheel. Cabinets again, all solid wood on full length metal ball bearing drawer guides. Lots of storage. Oh, huge pots and pans drawer. Let's go ahead and show it. It's definitely nice. You have the island kitchen here. Show off the back side here. And the island kitchen does have the solid surface Corian style countertops. Stainless steel double bowl sink. Here's your anno rod for your water heater. Its coach is actually winterized right now. Your water heater is going to be a 6-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater, which I'll show you. I do want to show you all your outlets. Nice dual outlets here on the island kitchen. On your floor is going to be at residential grade linoleum. It's kind of a plank flooring look. All your slide outs are going to have carpet. Zoom in on that for you. Again, everything's in excellent condition. And all your heat is ducted throughout the floor. And all your AC is ducted. Your AC is going to be an upgraded 15,000 BTU AC unit. Standard is 13,500. This is 50 amp service, and you are equipped with a second AC option. If you wanted that option, you are equipped with it up in the bedroom, which I'll show you. Nice kind of hutch area. And again, solid surface countertops. I do want to point out you do have LED lights all throughout the camper. Saves you on your battery. Nice USB charging station here. Charging smart devices. Go up into the side aisle hallway here, up into the master bedroom. Master bedroom, there is a queen bed. It's an ultra plush queen bed. And queen bed does lift up. There's lots of storage up underneath. 110 outlet right there on one side of the bed. In case you want to plug in smart devices, sleep app machine, you do have that option. More storage. On the side of the bed there, you do have a LED light above the bed there for reading at night. You do have that option. Nice side closet here on the other side of the bed there. I did check this camper for water damage. Did not find any issues. A lot of times I'll open up the any cabinets up in the corners and just check to make sure the wallpaper is not wrinkling. And also check for stuffy smells. Did not find any issues whatsoever. There's your third slide out. Let me get up on this bed here, kind of show that off. I think it's going to be about 2 foot deep, and it's probably about 5 foot long, and it's all closets. Nice solid wood pocket door to close off from the hallway to the master bedroom, and then also you have a solid pocket door that I'll show you in the bathroom that shuts off from the bathroom to the master bedroom. Here's a TV and the mount. The owner had somebody do the mount, and as I said before, one of the screw heads got a little bit too deep and poked through on the other side. I will show you that. That's a non-issue. It's just cosmetic. There's your you are prepped for second AC if you wanted that option. Here's that nice Cougar badge there. Nice wood finish above the bed. And going into the walk-through bathroom, glass enclosed shower with skylight. Show that off here. Nice vanity area. Nice medicine cabinet, not just a mirror. Porcelain toilet, foot flush porcelain toilet. And here's your solid wood pocket door for privacy from the master bedroom into the bathroom. Speed this video up a little bit. Give you an idea of what's playing here. Alright, this is going to be your central command. This is going to be, starting on the left, this is going to be your full remote control package that you have on this coach. It operates the 4-point auto level, operates the exterior awning lights, the power awning, and puts the slides out, in and out. Full remote control package, pretty cool. This is going to be your command center here for your ceiling lights. All your light switches are here. Your awning button switch for going in and out is right here, and these are your slide buttons. Easy to figure out. This is going to be your monitors for your battery. Battery is good. Freshwater tank, I believe, is going to be a 43-gallon freshwater. Black tank, which is your toilet tank, is going to be 30-gallon. Your gray tanks, the gray tank is going to be 60-gallon on this coach. And the water heater switches right here for gas and electric. Whether you're boondocking or hooked up to shore power, you've got hot water within 15 minutes, and this is your water pump. Easy to figure out. Okay, oh, and here's your wall thermostat right here. Okay, I think I got everything on the inside. Back up here, kind of show you that color scheme. Start off by showing you off that beautiful front molded fiberglass cap. It's got one of the best turn radiuses for short bed pickup, so you don't get into it with your truck. Nice assist mirror here, LED light right there for hitching up at night. I'm going to shut off that light. Docking light, nice service light right here. This is going to be storage. They've got it filled. Power front jacks. This does have the Polar package, fully enclosed, heated underbelly. All your decals are in excellent condition. Frameless bus style windows. Cleaner look, easier to clean. Okay, that little sticker there. See if I can. It's just a little patch job up underneath there that whoever did it didn't really do the best job, but kept it from leaking, so it's just a cosmetic issue. Outside speakers, outside entertainment package on this coach. Nice 10-foot awning. It is dirty. Owners had not had a chance to really detail it. 10-foot power awning. Nice LED light strips. I do want to point out, baggage doors have magnets on them, which is definitely a nice feature. Slam latch baggage doors. Here's your aluminum framing, aluminum frame sidewalls, aluminum frame floors. You do have a 5-inch steel truss roof system on this coach. Camper pretty much has one of the strongest roofs in the fifth wheel market. Okay. And the fiberglass is going to be a high gloss fiberglass. It's going to be that fiberglass where the colors bled all the way through. It's kind of a tan color, or taupe, I believe is what they might be calling it. Pretty much looks like a full body paint coach. You do have the slide out awning package on this. Slide outs over, awnings over each slide outs. I'll show off the 15-inch aluminum wheels on the back side. Spare tire with mount. You do have the backup camera system on this. It's remote. The owners did put that in after the fact, so it definitely was a nice upgrade. 50 amp power cord, marine style power cord. 30 amp was standard, so it definitely has pretty much all the options on it. Ladder to get up to your full walk-on roof. There's your slide-out awnings. And it's going to be your docking station here for hooking up your fresh water. And also, I believe this might be your black tank sewer flush, and then outside shower. Easy, there it is, tank flush. Cleans out your toilet tank. And that, definitely a nice feature. You do have the 4-point auto level. There's 2 of your rear jack legs there. And that remote control inside, I believe, operates the leveling system on this. This is the 15-inch aluminum alloy wheel package on this. All the tires are in excellent condition. More ride. CRE 3000. Suspension on this, best suspension you can get on a fifth wheel. Smoother ride. And then this does have correct track system on this coach, so it runs true with the tow vehicle. Definitely a nice feature. Saves you on your tires. Furnace is going to be a 30,000 BTU furnace. There's your exhaust right there. Easy access here that the owner had put in for hooking up and unhooking for your hoses. 6-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater service panel right there. Another slam latch baggage door there. There's your monitor panel for your leveling system. Easy to figure out. Does have memory. Remembers where your truck was when you hitched up. Should be your dual 30-pound LP tanks right there. Those are the large ones. Definitely a nice feature. Back up here, show you that back side. And this coach does have the Max Air vent covers up top. I did check this camper for delamination. Did not find any issues. This coach is beautiful, other than the fact that little area behind that sticker. I believe the owner said he was going to remove that sticker, but if you want to come and see the camper, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. If you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube. And if you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. Thank you.